Louie's not, he hasn't learned how to jump yet. And Latte's just a big copycat. He's all copycat. Seriously? Latte, that's really annoying.
What kind of noise is that, crap?
You should see Grandma's Louie when they're over. Oh, it's constant play, and it's rough play. Like this Louie flips the other Louie. He like goes underneath him and flips him.
Well, he seems submissive. He seems nice. He honestly just wants to play.
Do you want to play? Get her, Louie. Get her. Pick her. Where are you going? Okay, I'm done. Louie, I think the ladies want to play. What do you want in there?